15 years ako sa network marketing. At dumating ako sa punto na gusto ko nang mag-retire. Ayoko na ng pressure, quota, at mga produktong sobra ang presyo. Pero bago ako tuluyang umalis, God showed me something better. At yun ang Live Good. Ito ang business na tinanggal ang lahat ng pahirap sa traditional networking. No quota, no auto-ship, no overpriced products, no points, left and right, legs na nakakalito. At ang natira, high-quality, affordable wellness products, subscription-based model, global reach, referral program na kayang i-duplicate. Sabi nga ng director namin, the days of selling highly overpriced products so a few people on top of the pay plan can get rich are over. Kaya, kung gusto mong magnegosyo ng may sense, puso at resulta, then maybe this is a sign for you. Pre-enroll for free at DM mo ako kung ready ka nang mag-build with peace and purpose. This is Visa Bulao, aka Eagle B. I rise, I transform, I lead. See you at the top. God bless. Bye!